Hey, and welcome back. It's Shelly with Home with Shelly. Today we went out, me and my husband, and we were gone for most of the day. So we came back, and then I'm just getting busy in the house. I decided I wanted to make some cookies. I had a bunch of white chocolate chips that I needed to use up from Christmas, so I decided that I was going to go ahead and use these up so that way they're out of my pantry.
With you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 I'm a social suicide. Since I lost you, I've been high. Think you saw me with your friends last night. Yeah, I think it was you. Such a tragic, rather painful sight. So embarrassing. So I ran back to my heartache, holding hands with the night. Hopelessly hoping you'd call. If we think about it, we think too much. Maybe we should talk about it, should be enough. But we'll never be enough for us if we not give up. Just say yes. 'Cause baby, we're better than that.
So this is how the cookies turned out. My family devoured them. I think they were gone in about a day. So my refrigerator really needed to be cleaned out. I had a bunch of stuff in there that I needed to get rid of, and then I also just needed to clean the refrigerator altogether. So if you're in the mood, clean your refrigerator with me.
Maybe it's as simple as that. If there's love in afterlife, hope we catch the same flight. simple as that.
I want you. I can get enough of you. I want you. I can get enough of you.
I don't think you remember, not the way I do. It's getting late September, and I still think about you. But you're slipping through my fingers when all I want is to go back. I want you to feel it the way I do, baby. Honestly, I want you. 'Cause I can't get enough of you. I want you. 'Cause I can't get enough of you. I want you, yeah. 'Cause I can't get enough of you. I want you. 'Cause I can't get enough of you. No, I don't think you remember, not the way I do. It's getting late September, and I still think about you. I still think about you. But you're slipping through my fingers when all I want is to go back. I want you to feel it the way I do, baby. Honestly, I want you. 'Cause I can't get enough of you. I want you. 'Cause I can't get enough of you. I want you, yeah. 'Cause I can't get enough of you. I want you. 'Cause I can't get enough of you.
Lay your eyes, something real nice. Go too hard, couple of times. Find the one, realize see the light. Turn around, come to terms with the fire. You're still mine. All of this time, past like nothing. Changing your mind, face keep rushing, looking at mine. Come around, girl, come to terms with the fire. You're still mine. I just wanna see you live life. You just wanna lay down like you already forgot about the price. If you're charging you per night, yeah. Cash in hand, you be jumping at first. As if I would catch you now. I know you know I'm still in your thirst. And it is good on you. It's good now. Lay your eyes, somewhere real nice. Go too hard, couple of times. Find the one, will I see light? Turn around, come to terms with the fire. You're still mine. All of this time, past like nothing. Changing your mind, face keep rushing, looking at mine. Come around, girl, come to terms with the fire. You're still mine. Little salt in the room from the cradle. Make it hard, staying true, like some Play-Doh. Have it pop like it do with the yayo. If it a hit, I need to quit, no, if it fatal. You ain't fooling anybody with that chain on. It's so obvious that you still put your game on. When you see me heat up like you lift the flame on. It's a shame cause the pain always falls on you. Lay your eyes somewhere real nice. Go too hard a couple of times. Find the one, will I see the light? Turn around, come to terms with the fire. You're still mine, all of this time. Past like nothing, changing your mind. Face keep blushing, looking at mine. Come around, girl, come to terms with the fire. You're still mine.
I forgot that my 3-year-old son Jackson had put that hanger up there whenever I was baking the cookies, and I just realized it after so long, so I was like, get this out of my face. This is annoying.
Oh my mind, catching a fever, hold me tight and still the ceiling now. Don't waste my time, set me on fire and cut to the feeling. Oh my mind, catching a fever, hold me tight and still the ceiling now. Don't waste my time, set me on fire and cut to the feeling. I spent my time lost in the dark, where bass hits like thunder. I couldn't tear the night apart from the heat that's pulling me under. But I can feel it rising. You've got me running wild. Baby, the flames are climbing, taking me closer to the high. Oh my mind, catching a fever, hold me tight and still the ceiling now. Don't waste the time, set me on fire and cut to the feeling. Oh my mind, catching a fever, hold me tight and still the ceiling now. Don't waste the time, set me on fire and cut to the feeling. Oh my mind, catching a fever, hold me tight and still the ceiling now. Don't waste the time, set me on fire and cut to the feeling. The rhythm's pounding in my chest. The night is getting bolder. I lose myself, can't catch my breath. Your is pulling me closer. I can feel affection, maybe. You got me running wild. Yeah, the flames are climbing, baby, taking me closer to the high. Oh my mind, catching a fever, hold me tight and still the ceiling now. Don't waste the time, set me on fire and cut to the feeling. Oh my mind, catching a fever, hold me tight and still the ceiling now. Don't waste the time, set me on fire and cut to the feeling. Oh my mind, catching a fever, hold me tight and still the ceiling now. Don't waste the time, set me on fire and cut to the feeling.
attraction. Yeah. One of us is gonna get hurt. You got your madness, and I'm good at bad habits. Oh, one of us is gonna get hurt. I'm not one to trust, ask anyone, and you will see it. I live for the thrill. Oh, I'm dead serious, it's you or me, you best believe it. This is not a drill. This is fatal attraction. These are times of crowds of passion. One of us gonna get hurt. Took a shot for the magic, but we're crashing into tragic. One of us gonna get hurt. I would love to see you cry. I would love to shut you out. Baby, I'm the gift that's never given. Whoa, I don't know what else to say to make sure you stay away. Baby, this is war, but no one's winning. Whoa, I'm dead serious, it's you or me, you best believe it. This is not a drill. This is fatal attraction. These are times of crowds of passion. One of us gonna get hurt. Took a shot for the magic, but we're crashing into tragic. One of us gonna get hurt. So if you want your head and heart unbroken, you better leave now. 'Cause this is fatal attraction. These are times of crimes of passion. One of us gonna get hurt. You've got the madness in you. I've got the badness in me. You know what you gotta do. If you got any sanity, this is fatal attraction. These are times of crowds of passion. One of us gonna get hurt. Took a shot for the magic, but we're crashing into tragic.
So this is my living room. It's actually not as bad as what it normally is. With the two toddlers, there's normally toys all over the place. It's a never-ending cycle of pick them up after nap time and pick them up when they go to bed. So this is a miracle that they've stayed put away for most of the day.
One of us gonna get hurt. So if you want your head and heart unbroken, you better leave now. 'Cause this is fatal attraction. These are times of crimes of passion. One of us gonna get hurt.
So this is the final product of my living room. It's a really quick clean, just took me about 3 minutes. This is my usual shutdown for the night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate you joining me on this journey. Thank you.